Welcome to this tutorial on how to calculate your required minimum distribution, or RMD, with Schwab. Understanding how to calculate your RMD is important for retirement planning, as it ensures you meet IRS requirements for withdrawing funds from your retirement accounts. First, determine the total balance of your retirement accounts as of December 31st of the previous year. This includes all applicable accounts such as traditional IRAs, 401(k), S, and others that fall under the RMD rules. Next, find the IRS life expectancy factor based on your age. The IRS provides a table that outlines the factors, which vary depending on how old you are. Once you have the total balance and your life expectancy factor, you can calculate your RMD by dividing your total balance by the life expectancy factor. This will give you the amount you are required to withdraw for the year. It is important to ensure that you have calculated your RMD accurately to avoid any penalties from the IRS. Finally, you can use Schwab's online calculators or tools to make this process easier. Simply enter your information, and Schwab will help provide your RMD amount. Always double-check your calculations and, if needed, consult with a tax advisor or financial planner to ensure you are meeting all requirements. Thank you for watching.